And welcome back to Sadé's Book Club. Today we have a special guest with us, Sadé's little brother. Say hello.
Hello.
And we've got some really cool books to talk about. We got 3 books from Chronicle Kids. It's really lovely. It's all about construction and it's all about trucks as well. Illustrated by A.G. Ford. Really lovely. Oh, there's another one there. So yeah, this is really exciting. It's a different take on what we normally talk about, which was nice for our younger readers. And I'm going to put you on to this little one, and you're going to talk about this one, aren't you?
Construction site on Christmas night.
Oh, you're going to show them? Okay, and what do you like about this book?
They have lots of trucks and lots of diggers and lots of construction sites and all sorts of trucks.
Okay, and what's your favourite truck?
Cement mixer.
Why do you like the cement mixer?
Because he gets cement out of his Rinker.
So he makes cement, doesn't he? So, talking about this little guy here. And it's really Christmassy, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what do they get? What kind of surprises do they get before Christmas? And the digger, he got a new scooper, didn't he? Yeah? So yeah, these books are really great. This one was perfect in time for Christmas. So construction site on Christmas night. And it's really lovely. It's about giving, but I like that it's all about trucks and different types of trucks as well, which you love, don't you? What's your favourite truck?
Cement mixer.
And what other trucks do you like?
Like a digger.
Digger? Yeah, you really like diggers, don't you? What do you like about them?
And a Ferrari.
And a Ferrari? That's not a truck.
Well, this is a Ferrari truck, I think.
Okay, that's what I say. So you really like these books, don't you? And you're going to read the rest of these, aren't you, over the Christmas period, aren't you? So the other one is Construction Site Mission Demolition. It's really great. And then the other amazing one is 3 Cheers for Kid McGear. And the illustrations are really lovely, really bright and vibrant. And it also looks like some kind of like crayon kind of texture. Really great. And they're really nice to have these books as well, aren't they? So yeah. So that's it. Can you say bye?
Bye everybody, I hope you liked this video.
And we'll see you soon.